Niggas fucking with the lemonade, you are crazy. Looking like a nigga named Patrick Swayze. Already know I'm a dick, getting that money. I'm a dick, now we gonna take all your fucking honeys. Niggas, I don't mad at you. Nigga, we gon' get this stuff. Already know that I'm like sick with the stuff. Lemons on my fucking neck, lemons in my fucking ear. Already know that you niggas is a fucking clear. I'm that nigga named Gucci, no, you call me Kenny. I don't give a fuck, nigga, though. Yeah, I'm getting plenty. Already know what it is. Niggas, we getting the cash coming through your fucking way. Niggas, we ain't nothing but Gucci in my wallet. Nigga, you ain't seen this shit. I already know how we do, and we getting hit. I don't give a fuck, cause I'ma get all the dough. Niggas, you like you, niggas, you already know. We gon' get this fucking cash, we gon' get this fucking hand. Niggas hit you on your head, click clock, and fucking blam. Yeah, nigga, what you gonna do about that? You ain't gonna do shit, you just a natty cat. You just a natty boy, you got like no toys. Niggas looking like a bitch, niggas with no noise. I don't give a fuck, slice you in your fucking throat, make you ass fucking choke, nigga, then I fucking poke you with that fucking knife, put it in your fucking neck, pull out my left pocket, the black AK tech, niggas mad, I don't care, y'all niggas fucking lame, come do your fucking hood, you were just so fucking lame, nigga, we getting the stuff, if I let you already know, yeah, so, I see boys, nigga, you's a fucking hoe, yeah, nigga, fuck you, there ain't nothing but a bitch. Nigga, fucking you just a trip.